In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, you need to find an app called Themes and click on it. Then select Text Styles at the top of Featured section. Click on Categories and tap on Text Style here, or select Discovery and look for one over here. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, you need to click on the best font style for you, buy it, or select a free one and simply hit free download. Wherever you decided, when your font style is ready to go, hit apply and wait. As you can see, after that, style of mine has changed. If you want to go back to the default style, go back to Themes app, select Me at the bottom right corner and hit Text Styles. Then tap on your default one, select Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!